In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LinkedIn Don't Have Access to Profile problem. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps you need to follow to resolve this issue and ensure that your profile is accessible to others. First, you'll want to start by accessing your LinkedIn settings. Begin by logging in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon, which is typically located at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, we'll adjust your public profile visibility. In the menu on the left side of the Settings page, navigate to the Visibility section. Here, you'll see an option that says Edit Your Public Profile. Click on it, and ensure the toggle for your profile's public visibility is set to On. This step is crucial as it controls who can see your profile when they search for you. You'll also have the opportunity to check specific boxes to choose which sections of your profile, like your photo, headline, or work experience, are visible to the public. Make sure to select the ones you want to highlight. Now let's review your profile viewing options. Staying in the Visibility section, you will find an option called Profile Viewing Options. Click on that and make sure to choose the option that shows your name and headline. This is important because it ensures that when you view other people's profiles, they'll see your name and headline, facilitating better connections. Next up are the Discovery settings. Still in the Visibility section, you'll want to adjust your email discovery settings. Look for Profile Discovery using email address and set it to Everyone. This allows people to find your profile using your email address. Similarly, you should configure your phone discovery settings. Find Profile Discovery using phone number and set this to Everyone as well, so others can locate your profile through your contact info. Now that we've covered visibility settings, let's improve your profile completeness. This is a key factor in enhancing your search visibility. Make sure you add detailed and relevant information to your experience, education, and skills sections. Additionally, having a professional profile photo is essential. A clear, appealing photo can make a significant difference in how others perceive you. After that, it's crucial to check for any restrictions on your account. Take a moment to review your account status to ensure there are no limitations that could be affecting your profile's accessibility. If you notice that your account is restricted, don't hesitate to reach out to LinkedIn support for assistance. Finally, to verify that your profile is accessible to the public, log out of your LinkedIn account. Go ahead and search for your own profile using a search engine like Google. This will give you a clear perspective on how your profile appears to anyone who is not logged in. If you can see it properly, then you're all set. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the LinkedIn Don't Have Access to Profile problem effectively.